Oh my gosh, that's the biggest pile of dog crap I've ever seen. Yikes. What's up, everyone? This is Emilio here. I'm in Detroit today, about to walk another vacant house. You guys keep asking. I'm not sure if you get bored with this, but every vacant house is different. So this is kind of like an unboxing, I guess you could say. Apparently, this is a listed property. I'm walking this for a client of mine. Apparently, this is like proceed with caution, like serious. I don't know. They didn't even put pictures inside, so I don't know what to expect. So this is new for me. If you like this channel, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel. Like, comment below. Let me know where you're at. If you're interested in investing in Detroit, please reach out to me. There's links in the description below. And I want to thank all of my viewers out there for contributing to the channel. That's how I got my new GoPro. That's how I got this whole new body harness thing. So excited to use this thing now. And so I want to thank everybody for supporting me and what I'm doing here, and hopefully I'm providing some value for you. So again, if you want to contribute to the channel, I got links in the description below. If you are interested in investing in Detroit, there's a link for a Detroit real estate course that I shot last year. Hopefully the course could provide some more value for you and support the channel at the same time. So thank you very much, and here we go. All right, let's take a look at the outside first. Alright, so looks like it's a multi-unit, obviously. We got some brick issues here. I like the fact that it's brick. Ooh, the siding up there looks pretty good. Look at that. Siding. Garage looks okay. Not okay, but oh crap. Can't see it over there, but it's the roof needs a complete new roof. I like the fact that there's new siding in here, though. That's pretty cool. You're gonna have to have the back cleared out. Alright. You know, the trim looks okay. Aluminum trim looks good. I mean, little things like that. Try and get some selling points out of this thing. Alright, I see some shifting of the bricks right there. Let's see. Some ivy growing on the side of it. It's got in this neighbor's yard, driveway. You know, it doesn't... The vinyl siding and the trim, those all look pretty good. There is some brickwork issues. Oh, wow, it's pretty big right there. Little concrete action. Okay, here we go. All right, got my flashlight too. All right. Take this sock off. There we go. More light coming. All right, initial thoughts. It's actually not that bad. Let me put the wides in. I gotta take pictures along the way too. So floors look okay. Are these original floors? I don't think these are. No. So these are not the original floors. This is like a vinyl thing. I like the fireplace. Vinyl thing. Vinyl. Laminate flooring. I can't talk right now. Needs original windows here. These are the original windows. These new windows. Looking at this, I mean, a lot of the paint is peeling off, but you know, some of the walls are pretty salvageable. There was a dog in here, so there's dog crap in here. New doors. We'll probably salvage this plaster. It's not awful. The funny thing is I've seen such bad houses that houses like this don't really affect me that bad. Okay, that's not good. See that there's a right here in the ceiling. I don't know what that is. That's really good quality material cardboard there. Cover that up. Whoa. I haven't seen that before. That's interesting. Sorry if my iPhone camera keeps getting in the way. I'm taking pictures. Alright, so don't know if I want to keep this as a multi-unit, but is this the doorway that leads through? Yep, got it. So it's a one-way entrance. So one-way entrance here. When you walk in, you could go to the right for the lower unit and straight through to the kitchen for the lower unit. And then this is the basement, I believe. So let's go to the upper unit first. Or you can go up this way. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's the biggest pile of dog crap I've ever seen. Yikes. See, there's always something new with every house. I see a lost cat, the other one, and this one's I see a bunch of dog crap. Yikes. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, it smells up here, dude. You see right there? That is for a radiator. So this is not forced air. It is a radiator. Oopsie. That's not good. There we go. I don't need a flashlight up here. Original windows, so you don't need new windows. Yuck. More animal feces. It's gross. It's disgusting. Alright, so they had, this is a radiator in here. Gotcha. Okay. So in here, it's a closet. So these is a 2-1-2-1. Now you could either keep it as a multi-unit or convert it into a single family. I'm really glad I put my boots on today. It's not bad. I have seen way worse. Yuck, look at that toilet. I'm not gonna even step in there. There are limits to my job. I'm just joking. Let's see. Okay, so kitchen. So this is, again, go upstairs here for the second unit. You can walk through this door, or you can walk straight through this door to get to the access to the second unit. So, not bad. These doors are in good shape, eh? Look at that. Solid. I wouldn't keep it, but still though. Oh God, I almost tripped. Can you imagine if I just tripped on this whole pile of feces right here? YouTube blooper. Man, steps and feces. Oh, there's a bunch down here too. Dun 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 dun. That's disgusting. Okay. All right. Basement. Go down to the basement. Try and see any. Ooh, look at those stairs. Okay, you need a handrail. Hold on. Ugh, look at that handrail though. I'm not touching that. I'll die on these stairs if I have to. Jump! Ugh. See? Body cam helps. That's why I like the body cam. Alright, so, yo, that's not good. Alright, that's one issue. Let's see, up there, you can see the sun. So, snow, rain, everything comes down here, deteriorates the wall, and then it falls down here on the ground. So, you gotta stop and cover that up. That is from the front porch. This is the front of the house. Stop that, bitch. Saw a lot of stuff. Poured basement. Coming here down here to see if there's a bunch of water or if there's any foundation issues. Ooh, big spider web. Okay, see that's a little damp right there. So again, it's damp here. It gets wet. This material gets wet, soaks with water, and then falls to the ground. That's why I see it on the ground. So right now we're under the front porch, which I probably shouldn't be under here. If there's... Okay. Oh wow. Is that a tunnel back there? This is creepy. This looks like an experiment gone, like a laboratory down here. Oh, here's the panels. Yo! That is some old panels right there, dude. Electrical has to be redone. Man. Panels. This is a radiator. Or back to radiator. That's a boiler system. You have the lead pipes in here, so you need all new plumbing. Look at this stack. So this plumbing stack here. We just did one at one of the other renovations, but I mean, it actually doesn't look that bad. But if you're gonna renovate the whole place, you might as well replace this. But it doesn't look that bad. Oh, there's a half bath down here. Cool. Toilet. Boiler's completely gone. It's missing. So probably want to just replace it with its own HVAC system. So if this is 2 units, again, don't know what the owner wants to do with this, convert it to a single family or keep it in as a multi-unit. Bunch of jars. But if you convert it to a single family, potentially keep one furnace in the basement, maybe even get one upstairs. Get one furnace upstairs, or you could do a furnace down here, and then if you keep it as a multi-unit, you could put another furnace in the attic. Let's see if I can find the attic. Let's go back past the feces again. Yuck. Oh god, it smells. Okay. I don't see. Oh, right there. Ugh. Feces again. Ooh, I just picked it up. Shoot. All right, so I don't know if the camera could see. I'm gonna shine a light in there. You see that? Camera. That is cedar shake siding, which means you're gonna need a new roof eventually, because it's gonna be a tear off. So another thing too is it's very shallow up there, so I don't even know if you could put a furnace up there. You might have to put both the furnaces in the basement. Okay, that's it. Not bad. I give this one, actually, I grade this one kind of like a B plus. Original windows are out there, but the bones of the house are in good shape. It's brick. It's a little beat up, but it's not that bad. Not that bad, anyways.